Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your account with someone on the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here we can either swipe right or tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Here we have to go into settings, and here in settings, in the top right corner, there is this little QR code symbol. We tap on this, and then from here we can select the look of our QR code and the light or dark mode. And then if we tap on share QR code, we can share it on different apps. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.